FC Chelsea UCL 2025 league phase draws. Opponent 1 FC Barcelona from pot 1. Opponent 2 Bayern Munich from pot 1. Opponent 3 Benfica from pot 2. Opponent 4 Atalanta from pot 2. Opponent 5 Ajax from pot 3. Opponent 6 Napoli from pot 3. Opponent 7 Pafos from pot 4. Opponent 8 Karabakh from pot 4. Real Madrid UCL League Phase Draws 2025. Opponent 1 Manchester City from pot 1. Opponent 2 Liverpool from pot 1. Opponent 3 Juventus from pot 2. Opponent 4 Benfica from pot 2. Opponent 5 Marseille from pot 3. Opponent 6 Olympiacos from pot 3. Opponent 7 AS Monaco FC from pot 4. Opponent 8 Carrot Almaty from pot 4. Inter Milan UCL League Phase Draws. Opponent 1 Liverpool from pot 1. Opponent 2 Borussia Dortmund from pot 1. Opponent 3 FC Arsenal from pot 2. Opponent 4 Atletico Madrid from pot 2. Opponent 5 Slavia Praha from pot 3. Opponent 6 Ajax from pot 3. Opponent 7 Carrot Almaty from pot 4. Opponent 8 Union SG from pot 4. Bayern Munich UCL League Phase Draws. Opponent 1 FC Chelsea from pot 1. Opponent 2 PSG from pot 1. Opponent 3 Club Brugge from pot 2. Opponent 4 FC Arsenal from pot 2. Opponent 5 Sporting CP from pot 3. Opponent 6 PSV from pot 3. Opponent 7 Union SG from pot 4. Opponent 8 Pafos from pot 4. Manchester City UCL League Phase Draws 2025. Opponent 1 Borussia Dortmund from pot 1. Opponent 2 Real Madrid from pot 1. Opponent 3 Bayer Leverkusen from pot 2. Opponent 4 Villarreal from pot 2. Opponent 5 Napoli from pot 3. Opponent 6 Bodo Glimt from pot 3. Opponent 7 Galatasaray from pot 4. Opponent 8 AS Monaco from pot 4. Liverpool UCL League Phase Draws. Opponent 1 Real Madrid from pot 1. Opponent 2 Inter Milan from pot 1. Opponent 3 Atletico Madrid from pot 2. Opponent 4 Frankfurt from pot 2. Opponent 5 PSV from pot 3. Opponent 6 Marseille from pot 3. Opponent 7 Karabakh from Part 4. Opponent 8 Galatasaray from Part 4. Barcelona UCL League phase draws. Opponent 1 PSG from Part 1. Opponent 2 FC Chelsea from Part 1. Opponent 3 Frankfurt from Part 2. Opponent 4 Club Brugge from Part 2. Opponent 5 Olympiacos from Part 3. Opponent 6 Slavia Praha from Part 3. Opponent 7 Copenhagen from Part 4. Opponent 8 Newcastle United from Part 4. PSG UCL League phase draws. Opponent 1 Bayern Munich from Part 1. Opponent 2 FC Barcelona from Part 1. Opponent 3 Atalanta from Part 2. Opponent 4 Bayer Leverkusen from Part 2. Opponent 5 Tottenham Hotspur from Part 3. Opponent 6 Sporting CP from Part 3. Opponent 7 Newcastle United from Part 4. Opponent 8 Athletic Club Part 4. Borussia Dortmund UCL League phase draws. Opponent 1 Inter Milan from Part 1. Opponent 2 Man City from Part 1. Opponent 3 Villarreal from Part 2. Opponent 4 Juventus from Part 2. Opponent 5 Bodo Glimt from Part 3. Opponent 6 Tottenham Hotspur from Part 3. Opponent 7 Athletic Club from Part 4. Opponent 8 Copenhagen from Part 4. FC Arsenal UCL League phase draws. Opponent 1 Bayern Munich from Part 1. Opponent 2 Inter Milan from Part 1. Opponent 3 Atletico Madrid from Part 2. Opponent 4 Club Brugge from Part 2. Opponent 5 Olympiacos from Part 3. Opponent 6 Slavia Praha from Part 3. Opponent 7 Carrot Almaty from Part 4. Opponent 8 Athletic Club from Part 4.